Number 13.
Wait, I'm gonna steal something.
Okay, still.
Still.
Still, still.
Still.
Who owns this one?
Who cares? Take it.
Yung incense, parang sa incense ba?
Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Wine. Anong brand? Oh my goodness. I am going to steal
That's the fun of it.
Okay, number 14. But you need to get one.
Hindi pa ako nakaka-steal. You have to put your gift in after you steal, right? Yeah.
No, if somebody stole your thing, you need to give it to the person who stole.
So you have to put your
Then you
stuff.
need to choose one.
Pero pwede pang ma-steal sa kanya yan.
She wants to get us. Yeah, meron one. Last time. Last time.
What's the other number you have?
That one, 13. Yeah.
Okay. This is the 6 and this is the 13. So somebody can steal that.
The 13, that's
Both.
both.
Yeah, because there's one more.
She cannot steal it
The third one.
Okay.
You have to pick up or
May
anybody.
paso.
Yeah.
I need the card.
Ayun.
The card.
The gift card. Who has the gift card?
Oh, the gift card.
The gift card. Who has the gift card?
We should open.
Hey guys, who has a gift card? Okay, she wants to steal it. Okay, get yours. Get one.
Here. You should open the circle. Open the circle.
Lisa, dapat dalawang ginawa.
We're done. Yeah.
Isa pang gift niya.
Ayun. Ayun.
Malaki.
Okay, number 14. Okay, 14.
I pick one of these or steal. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Pick what you want.
Everybody.
Yeah.
I need to get mine because mine was stolen.
Okay. But I'm done, right? Because the third one, I'm done.
This is the second one, okay?
The third one na.
Okay, next 14.
There's no chance.
Super bigat. Open. Eh, sa'yo, buka mo na rin.
Ano sa'yo, May?
End up with one gift.
Oh, yes. Why? How many gifts did you give? Oh, yes. How many gifts did you give? Yeah.
Only one.
Okay, then you only
But if I
got
steal,
one.
But you can steal. But you can steal.
Yeah, you can steal. Yeah.
Steal.
Every one of you has needs only one. Yeah. You have one more.
I have.
3 times.
All right.
Scandal.